What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We're back for another video out in Camarillo. It is Black Friday for you guys. It's the day before Thanksgiving for me, but these stores aren't open on Thanksgiving, so I can go. I did find out earlier, and hopefully you guys saw my video yesterday, but I did find out that the Black Friday deals are already going on. So yeah, let's go look around. Let's go see what's up. All right, it is, I think, an hour before this place closes. It is dark. I had the flash on, my eyes are like burning. I see rings and stuff. All right, forget my pain. All right, let's go, you guys. Yeah, let's go see what they got, man. Enduring pain for you guys. And it does seem to be true. 30% off entire purchase. That is the Black Friday deal. And this place is crowded as hell. Look at that, crowded as hell. All right, let's go look around, see what they got, man. See what they got. And I don't know why it just hit my head. This is the perfect time to come because 30% off the heat wall. We never get 30% off the heat wall. To get all the Jordans for 30% off. Oh, hell yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. We haven't really seen these Ginger 14s go on sale like that. 11.5, 30% off. Have not seen that. Midnight Blue 6s. Haven't seen these on sale like that as well. Size 11. These are a smaller one, 9.5, 8.5, 8.5. Afro Beats 7s. These are size 10. Extra buttery leather. Got that buttery leather. $1.70 for these. That last one, 8.5. This one is a size 9.5. Man, apparently this is the only size. So all these other sizes, all these other sneakers, they might have other sizes because it says display only, which means it's the only size they got. $1.30 for these. This is a size 9. They had this last week. Then they got some Jordan 1s. This is the one with all that stuff on the back. This says display only as well, so this only size 9.5, which means all this other stuff, they definitely got more sizes. That's fire. This is the kids and women's section. Got a grade school 5 of those. Got some the Halloween dunks. I say Hawaii dunks. Halloween dunks. These are size 5Y, size 3.5Y. So got a few returns. Okay. Everything else kind of bare. And that is why you got to come to these places early. If you think a sale is going to happen, might be worth stopping by because, man, a lot of stuff already sold out. I know a lot of the resellers already know because they talk to each other. So yeah, you gotta come out pretty often, I guess, right? All right, let's look around. All right, we're giving some big footers some love today. Gonna start with them first. Size 15 go for $130. We've seen these here for a few weeks now. Alpha Fly Next Percent, only $275 down to $130 to get that 30% off. I guess this 39s go for $80. They finally come out with some Cortezes. They're freaking baseball cleats. Go for $80. Invincible Run Flyknits $125. Air Max 2017 go for $120. Size 14. I've never even seen these before. Like some Jamaica ones or something. Air Max 95 for retail, I guess. Above that, Air Max 90s. Size 15, 110. Size 14 with the exciting Monarchs go for $35. Vaporfly Next Percent go for $130. LeBron's $150. Prestos, we saw a ton of these here last time, $55. Jordan Air 200s going for $60. Size 12, why not 0.5s or 0.5s go for $130. Bronze, we saw these here last week. LeBron 9 lows go for $190. Air Max 2017s go for $165. Way too much. Even with the discount, that's way too much. The iShod wears go for $100. He got his own signature shoe finally. 11s, $120 for the LeBrons. This colorway, 11.5, $120 as well. This is a dope colorway of the, what is these? The Phantom Rank Flyknit 2s go for $90, size 11. Air Force One. The luxury ones. Retail price, no price listed. Which running shoes are these? The Streak Flies, $160. I've never seen those. Zoom Max Flies. We got some sprinting cleats. Don't know the price of these. $1. I don't know the price of these. I don't know why. Size 11. Do got some Air Force One premiums with. We've seen this one before. These fat rope laces, different materials. Unknown price. Got 2 of them. Probably retail. And the 10.5. Last few have been 10.5. Do got some Hirachis going for $100. Do got these right here. The Zion ones. Team Bank colorway going for 75. Oh, I skipped by these LeBrons. Size 11 going for $100 or 110. Oh, that's the cheapest we've ever seen these. I would make these, what, 70, what, I don't know, like $78 or something? $77, I think. Wow, that is fire. That's such a dope shoe. I think this is a barbershop colorway, I think. But these are fire, dude. These are tanks, too. These are tanks. I do have a pair of the LeBron 3s. These are dope, dude. These are dope.
They're nice.
Got some Air Max Golfs right here. These are kind of interesting. I've been looking for some Air Max 90s. These look different. The toe box looks way different. Looks way more sleek. I don't know. Is that me? Looks way different. The shape looks way different. The material slightly different as well. Does have like this thing around it. Usually, yeah, it looks different. In my eyes, it looks way different. I would check to see if they have a size 11, but now $130, way too steep. Way steep, you guys. Not much variety in the size 10s. Do got these Jordan 36 lows going for $175 though. And when I say a lot of the same stuff, I mean a lot of the same stuff. Like we just got shelves full of the same stuff. Yeah, definitely not exaggerating. This is all in the size 10s too. 9.5. I have not seen this in the bigger sizes. Jordan 6 rings going for $100. $100 goes down to 70 with that right there. So got him in 9.5. Also got him in a size 9. All black Air Force One premiums, $185. Holy cow! Wow, that's like a Jordan 11, Jordan 5 low price. Wow. Still got plenty of these Space Hippie ones, 9.5. And these mocks, got the Equator Free mocks, still here. We got some Nike by Monica's. A couple of dogs are talking to each other. I don't know why you bring dogs to shopping malls. I don't know, that's just weird. Yeah, I do got these. Nike by You, but it is by Monica. It does have the fly knit on it. Color's pretty sweet. Color's pretty sweet. I don't know about those polka dots right there. Yeah, retail, I guess. Not really much in the size 9. Kind of the same stuff that we saw earlier. We got those LeBron 9 lows we saw. $190 for those. 8.5. This is going for regular price though. Wow. I would ask them to check that price on that. Also got these and also got these. $185 for these. Jordan 37s regular price. That's size 8.5. 8.5. These have gone down in price, so I would check those other ones. Did we see it for the same price? $120 when you get that 30 off. Yeah, that one shows 110. This is one of the LeBron 3s. So yeah, that other one's just mismarked. Remember, you guys can utilize the Nike app. You guys can utilize that to see if they have other size of different shoes that you like. That is in the in-store mode. So you guys can check that. $120 for the Huaraches right there. Smaller sizes, not really finding much. I'm not gonna lie, not really finding much. Size 8 Metcons go for $60. That's hella cheap. You need to work out. And got these. I went to the big section to see if they had any of these, like in a size 12. I didn't see any. But this is like that greenish color. I think he'd like the white one better. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Not this stuff, because this is the generic section. The Windflow 8s, like the low budget running shoes. Quest 5s. Ain't nobody looking for those. $75 for these. We saw one of these in the clearance section. Maybe it was a return or something. X Aura, apparently it needs to be filled. They got the number right there. Style code, I don't know, I couldn't think of that. Access. A couple of these, a few of these. Jordan Delta 3 lows. Air 200s. Westbrook Take 1s. Remember, this is the best time to buy stuff in the aisles because it's all 30% off, man. 30% off Jordan 36 lows. Another one of these. This is the Luca colorway. And that was because this was before signature, right? Before signature. Now that he has one, he doesn't need PEs and stuff now. And there's some mortalities. Another one of those. 80 Tray 5.9s. Another one of those. Flytrap 5s. Another one of those. Flytrap 4s. And dude, these are cheap, especially with that 30% off, man. These go to what, $35? Mortalities of, damn, we got a ton of these. And this one right here is hella cheap, especially with that 30% off. Another one of those. I thought the Black Friday deals were gonna be weak, man. That's dope. Katie Tray 5.9s. Got 2 more of those. Hope you guys are catching these videos before Black Friday weekend. Man, I'm trying to keep you guys up to date. Like, look at how cheap this is. The Witness 6s going for hella cheap with 30% off. Not bad, not bad. Got a couple different colorways of Soldiers. She got an all black one too. I skipped it. LeBron 19s, LeBron 9s. And if you guys don't live out here, at least you guys get to see like what type of sneakers they have, because a lot of the outlets end up getting the same stuff, and a lot of them end up running the same deals as well. These are the offline 2s. Offline start at like 140 or something. This is the Oneanta Beach Shoes. Got some Forces. I'm gonna be honest, a lot of the stuff in the aisles haven't changed because I was just here last week. The Air Force One premiums. Leather's not even that premium, yo. Like I know it has all that other embroidery and stuff, but this leather is mediocre, dude. I'm sorry. Like this tumbled leather, way better, way better. Not great, but better. And this stuff is like, this is premium right here. This is premium. This is a quick strike. Kind of pricey though. I'm gonna have to find those Air Max 90s at the clearance store. That's what I'm gonna have to do. That's 2017s. Another one of those. Last one here. Air Max 2090. Another one of those. 2 different ones. Air Max 95s going for hella cheap. These are going for 140. You do get that 30 off because it is marked on the box. These Terrascapes go for regular price. Another one right here, 115 for these. And this is the dopest colorway of the Terrascapes, but regular price. Air Max 270s. Another one of those. At least this one's a little cheaper. And the material on this one's way better. Got some suede on it. Cool. An Air Max 90 Terrascapes. These are 115. Got 30 off. I'm not digging. I don't know. I'm not dealing that. I'm not digging that colorway though. Of course, clothing are 30% off, just like everything else. This is the clearance section right here. XL. Yeah, we saw something similar to this over there, but not this one. We had $30 for this tie-dye Surf Jordan hoodie. Okay. These are XLs. This orange one right here. This one is going for what, $35. Normally $100. Super thick. Does have the metal. Are these aglets? Is that what those are called? I don't remember. All right, XL right hit there. They got these in small as well, going for 30. Normally 85. This windbreaker. It's like a thick windbreaker, going for 110. That was a small section. Now we're in the mediums. Not much. 62. Still got these. Some t-shirts going for 20 bucks. Still got these half-cent pro jerseys going for $35. These are all larges right here. Bunch of t-shirts here. Not looking too interesting, to be really honest. Price is not like super great either. I am trying to do some Christmas shopping. Oh, this is like hella thin. Oh my goodness, why is it so thin? $55 for this, but it's like super paper thin. Oh my goodness. Damn, I'm looking for a black hoodie and a black, what is it, sweats? And it's the one with the elastic on the bottom. I can't find it, man. Not here, so I guess the search continues. T-shirt going for $25. I do have the hoodie that matches this. Oh, but these are different ones. So maybe that's the last size they have in that one. See, these are sweats, but you need the ones with the elastic on the bottom. These don't got them. Are these it? The tapered legs? Is this the one? Is this the one? And then they don't have the size I need. No, mother. Man, ain't this about a mother lover? They just got. Damn, I think I need a medium or large. Pretty sure that's the one he wants. Don't have the size I need though, mother lovers. And these would do too, but this is just a large. Son of a monkey. And now I'm getting irritated. They got these, but the elastic looks like hella cheap on these. Oh, they only got smalls. That's a pain, dude. All right, we are done. 20 minutes till this place closes. Wasn't able to get what I wanted. Appreciate Ethan. Shout out to Ethan who said what's up. Fan of the channel. All right, let's. Wait, hold on. Maybe we'll go next door like I did last time. They did have some J's there. Oh, it's gonna stop by. This Shoe Palace is closed. All right, see you guys. It says sale, but I don't see sales tags. All right, see you guys. All right, guys, happy Black Friday, guys. If you guys are watching this on release day, happy Black Friday. If you're watching this later on, hey, thanks for stopping by. But yeah, this is pretty much what's gonna be happening on Black Friday. 30% off the entire store at the Nike outlets. The prices pretty legit. You know, are they gonna have a better selection? That's the real question. Or, you know, certain ones are gonna have better selections than others. So yeah, good luck, you guys. Just make sure you guys watch the crowds. Crowds are gonna be insane. You know, I'm avoiding this one. I'm avoiding the Citadel. Like, I went there last year, and I remember the line was the most insane line I've ever seen there. It was crazy. It did move, but I really ain't trying to wait like that. I think Citadel opened on Thanksgiving. I think that's the only outlet in LA that actually opened on Thanksgiving. I saw it on the news. I don't know if it's the whole mall. It just seemed like it was open at 8 o'clock. That's what the news reported, at least. If you guys do go out, make sure you guys have a plan. Make sure you have a plan. You don't want to just be driving around willy-nilly, because if you hit up a bunch of spots, you just don't want to be wasting time and gas going from one place to another. You want to try to streamline. And then you also want to hit up some of the retail shops. Some of the retail shops I saw, I think Denim Exchange and who else? There were a few others. I think Bait had sales. There were some crazy sales starting at like, was it 8 a.m. or something like that? So check some of those shops out. Even some of the resale shops. Some of the resale shops, I saw a bunch of them. All the ones on Melrose, the ones on Fairfax. I saw a few of those having some crazy, insane deals. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of deals out there. A lot of shops are struggling. A lot of shops aren't making as much as they used to. The term Black Friday comes from stores being in the red, not making money or not showing profit until Black Friday, right around this time. And that's really when they start making profit for the entire year. And then everything made in December pretty much is profit. And that's kind of where the term Black Friday comes from. It's an accounting term, because when you're in the red, that means you're losing money. In the black, that means you're making money. So that's kind of where that comes from. So this is going to be a true Black Friday, because prior years, the businesses, they did really well. Sneaker shops did really well. This year, the sneaker shops haven't done as well. So they really need to entice customers. So I think we're going to see a lot more sales this year compared to last year and the year before. So yeah, go out there this whole weekend. I think there's going to be some deals, especially at the Nike outlets. So yeah, go look around. Just be safe. There's going to be a lot of shenanigans out there. So just be safe and do your thing, you guys. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. And that's pretty much about it, you guys. I'm going to be out and about. I'll try to create some shorts or something, or throw it on Instagram. I don't know. I'm going to try to communicate some of the deals, some of the stuff I found, and hopefully you guys can find some stuff tomorrow. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.